We're going into trees, folks. Alright, what am I doing today? Well, it's been raining all day and thought I'd come out here and see if there were any juvenile tarpon in this area right here, or big snook in these little creeks that are having an extreme runoff today. There we go, just got whacked again. A little tarpon right here. Let's just see if he'll eat again. He's trying to eat it. Got him. Come on. Might be a snook. I'm not real sure. He ain't jumped yet. That might be just a snook. We're going into trees, folks. Okay. This is gonna be interesting. Literally like the third or fourth cast there. See if he breaks us off. He's running again. We're just gonna let him drag us. Try to get him on the reel. Get him on the reel here. Pretty decent snook. Open your mouth. That's a pretty decent snook right there. Or a fly rod. Man, they buried that fly way down in there. Nice one. All right, girl. Let's let you go. Let her go. All right. That was a interesting battle in the rain. I'm sure my leader's toe up. We'll see. Just on a little yellow fly I tied. I'll retie that leader and start over.